November is my favorite month. When the world starts to slow down between the holidays, the days grow shorter and darker, the cold of winter peeks through, and where I live, the leaves on the trees show its true beauty. I'm not someone who usually decorates for the holidays at the start of the month, mostly because I feel like November is often neglected, so I make it a goal of mine to enjoy it for what it is. Days where you visit farmers markets to enjoy the last of fall festivities and treats, the last warm days, at least where I'm from, to spend outside without freezing, and for us this year, the last stretch of us finishing our van before the cold truly hits. There are still quite a few things we want to do before winter, and this is the perfect time to do it. Santi is in need of some new clothes, and we need to purchase some fabric to create the cushions for our van's bed and couch. So we're going to visit a few stores and see what we can find. Shirt. They're cute. Yeah, very shaggy. That could have been your costume. We've made a lot of progress with the van build over the past few months, so I figured I'd give you a sneak peek of what we've done so far. So for those of you curious, this is how the van's looking now. Yes, this is our sink. It's a tea kettle. It's very cool. We also just got these from the thrift store. And these are going to be our cushions for the back. The cushion covers. So they'll sit on the back of here. And I have some more covers. I have to sew them, but this is what the color will be. Well, it'll actually be more paired with this color, which is going to be the color of everything, pretty much. Yeah. If you are interested in seeing the building process, there are 8 episodes available to watch so far on our Patreon. We've had some really cold days hit at the tiny house lately, dropping to as low as 22 degrees Fahrenheit. The cold came a lot quicker than we expected, especially since last November when we were visiting here in the van, the weather was still quite warm. but things are different now. We usually travel to warmer climates when it gets cold in the van, but now we are stationary for the first time in 2 years. And although we will probably take some trips in the van, we plan to spend many winter days here at the tiny house. We are pushing along and bearing through the cold winds as we finish up the van build. Our goal is to finish by Thanksgiving. But it's so lovely to know that we will always have this little warm house to come back to when the workday ends. If you are interested in our van build, check us out on Patreon. You can also see real-time updates over on our Instagram. Thank you so much for your support.